We're here at the Cove Palisades State Park here in Central Oregon near Madras. Can I interest you in a high desert wonderland? I'm sitting here on the shoreline of Lake Billy Chinook, Cove Palisades State Park here in Central Oregon. And look at the beauty of Lake Billy Chinook. So this is definitely one of the crown jewel state parks in the entire state of Oregon. It's the confluence of Crooked River, Deschutes River, Metolius River into one epic boating, fishing, kayaking wonderland. I love the sheer cliffs across the way, the canyon, absolutely beautiful. Kind of interesting right now, our water level's a little low, about 2.5 feet low due to some pre-scheduled hydroelectric dam work by PGE. So in about a month, this will be 2.5 feet higher than it is now. A little bit of a recessed beach, but nonetheless, still very accessible and usable right now. This area, my friend, absolutely gorgeous and epic. I'm in heaven. Now this is a picnic site. I'm here at Crooked River Deschutes area, Cove Palisades State Park, Central Oregon near Madras. And we are watching the gentle waves of Lake Billy Chinook crash on this rocky, sandy shoreline. Oh, this is gorgeous. Imagine having a little lunch, maybe a snack, taking a load off and just sitting here and admiring this high desert wonderland. If this is a little too relaxing and passive for you, you can always grab a boat or a kayak. Now this is an epic group picnic site. I'm here at Crooked River Deschutes area here at Cove Palisades State Park in Central Oregon. We are standing near the shoreline of the mighty Lake Billy Chinook. This lake is the confluence of Crooked River, Metolius River, and Deschutes River, all coming together to form a massive tendrilled lake of awesomeness, water sport heaven, Mecca, boating, fishing, kayaking, high desert wonderland, epic sheer cliff canyon, absolutely beautiful. And you got perfectly situated areas like this. You got a quad of picnic tables, ideal for a massive group get together. Who wouldn't want to have a gathering right here on the shoreline? Beautiful Lake Billy Chinook.